Caffeine, octane, wait, let go. Caffeine, octane, wait, let go. Come on. Pop needs to stop playing. We need a sticker. We need a sticker. Tell stop playing. We need a sticker.
That shit, that would be hard.
This motherfucker look good though. I ain't gonna lie.
What you trying to get at? We ain't finna play with no nigga. We give him that belt and it sound like.
That boy night in that bitch. Who are HD? V10 V10 like Bronco. Ooh, who just read that? What, the drop top coming through that bit? Yeah, I like that.
It's good.
Yeah. GT500, that bit nasty work. Motherfucking low to the ground, man. You can't tell that bit. You say, hey, what's a meat without a dog?
I like that shit.
Try that? No, that motherfucker right. Hey, it's the coupe. Hey, it's the coupe. I like that over there too, though. That motherfucker sound like a car beat, boy. That bit tough. This is a Nissan fucking Altima, bro. That shit wild. That shit wild. And he got it lowered. I ain't gonna lie, that shit wild. That shit wild. Oh, with the inline and launcher. I like that. I like that. Oh, that's the same though. Oh, that bitch single turbo. Okay. That's why that bitch sound like that. That's why that bitch sound like that. That's why I got that shift taking that bitch. Oh yeah, now we at the good shit. Now we at the good shit. Them motherfuckers, look at the paint on this shit. That shit look fucking ridiculous, bro. Look at this motherfucker. This motherfucker look stupid. I ain't gonna lie, this motherfucker look trim. Hey, he got the light paint. I like that. Oh God. Oh God. Hey, dog. Yo, tough. Overly tough.
Appreciate it.
Overly tough. For sure. Yeah. That motherfucker lit. I fuck with that bitch. I fuck. And that bitch beam on my mama. That bitch beam. Look at the lights on her. Look at the lights on her. That's the X3 though. That's the X3 emblem. Look at the lights on her. That motherfucker overly tough. Can't ignore the lamb chop though. What wrong with it? R35. It's the. What the fuck? It's the money sign? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Bro, you see the Porsche right here, bro?
Yes, bro. Come on, get some more, huh? Yeah. Porsche truck, I like that. I like the expensive side. this side? Over there too?
They got the car was.
That what the fuck I was trying to fucking wait on, but we think, I don't know, this rain.
Clean as shit.
Yeah, that's that RS7, boy. That motherfucker different. I like the Michelins on that bitch. Look at that purple, man, bro. Yeah. We finna go over there. Yes,
Y'all went over here yet?
Mm-hmm. No, we ain't been over here yet. It's our first time coming on this side. You talking right here? Y'all know 5-cylinder, bro. I already know. 5 cent, bro. 5 cent, bro. Look at that bitch, bro. 3 ski. Look at that. And it's green. I know that's factory color. I know that's factory color. I know that's factory color, bro. See the. That's what I want, bro. That's what I want, bro. I want them heads.
I like that, bro. I like that shit, bro.
I know, bro. 5 cent.
And it's different, nigga.
You talking that RS3?
Yeah,
bro. That motherfucker 5-cylinder, bro. They don't even make 5 cylinders, nigga. My man got the cat.
No, 3.
That's another 3. Yeah, that's another 3. Yep.
That's the 5. That's the.
This motherfucker look crazy. This motherfucker, oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. I ain't gonna lie, from the front, this motherfucker look like a fucking beast out of hell, boy. That motherfucker look like a beast, bro. It's an S8, bro.
That's that luxury,
I was to say, that motherfucker got a nice size too. That ain't that motherfucker RS5? That red. Fucking crazy. That motherfucker is crazy. Crazy. That motherfucker cool. Bro, what the? Let's do it, bro. It's crazy. That's another TT right there, Troy. The TT's different, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Alright.
8, bro. Nigga.
Look at the fucking engine in the back of that bitch, nigga.
Bro. This motherfucker is crazy. Look at that shit. Engine built into this motherfucker. Interior, that bitch look fucking crazy. Look at that shit. Oh, smoke, man. Woohoo! Twin, it's a supercharger. That's a supercharger. Yeah. Fucking Hellcat. I like that. Fucking Hellcat. C5 back there, y'all boys. C5 back there, y'all boys. Oh my god.
Oh, there you go, your bed.
Sorry, y'all can go.
With all these wheels.
Overly tough. Overly tough. Yeah. I like those. You know it. You know it. Look at that, 575. Another Porsche. That's a beauty. It's an old school Porsche for shit. Get a growl on that. That's a V10. That's a V10, bro. Yeah. That's a V10, bro. I said these niggas finna be a minute. Nah. But damn, that shit look crazy. Slime green twin. Red and white on the front. Tissue motherfucker. That bitch tough. And that's right there. Love that shit. Bro, what the fuck, bro? The Charger with butterfly doors, bro? For real, my nigga? For real? Alright, bro. That's crazy. I like that though. I like that in the middle of that parking lot right there. But this shit look like these folks at a movie theater. Oh, that's that boosted motherfucker. I know him. Yeah, come on. That's that boosted motherfucker. Oh my god. This nigga just was in Texas, bro. He was in Texas. He was just at the beat I went to Friday. Everything, bro. Like, this nigga be outside, bro. I'm about to tell him this motherfucker nice. Yo. Motherfucker fire, dog. Yes, sir. Motherfucker crazy.
Hey, cops coming out the front of that bitch, bro.
That fan look crazy too. Hell yeah, I like that. You know what it is. They gotta stick together. Yeah. That's that pink V. Oh my god. Bro, everybody, bro, what the fuck is happening, bro? Bro, alright, that's a pink CTSV.
Oh my god.
Yes, I know, bro. He just changed it to the AMS.
Damn.
There go VQ Cam. That's him right there.
With that pink?
Yeah, he changed his shit to pink too. I'm telling you, bro, everybody be, bro, this shit different, bro. I'm telling you, this shit is different.
Yeah.
No, why you cut her off? No. Why you cut her off? C5, sorry. C6, C5. I'm shooting 5 though, but that bitch tough.
That's the first biz we done seen.
That's tough. That's tough. Well, I say somebody about to blow that goddamn motor in that bitch.
Yeah.
See, motherfucker? That bitch tough. My turbo, tough. Oh, that's definitely that C bitch. That's definitely that C bitch. Nah, everybody trying to leave right now. That shit funny. That's beside this motherfucker right here, though. What the fuck, bro? What? No, this is an MK4 Super, nigga. What do you mean, Sal? You got Instagram? Yes, sir. What is it? I got you. Nigga, we got Tesla on Tesla crying, nigga. The nigga trying to halt the other Tesla down. That's crazy. And it's still slower, nigga. That's crazy. I ain't on no set. Like, come on, bro. Yeah. Bro, stop that shit, man. Look, charge in that bit. Look, RT. That bit look good. That bit look good. He gave me a little song. Sound better than the scat right now. Ooh, got the low burbles. Oh, that shit sound crazy. Ooh, that shit sound. Is that a fucking, what is this? This is the RS5? This is a fucking 5. I know, bro, I know my shit. I know my shit. I know my shit.
See, bro, like, bro.
Cause that him. He's standing there to it. Cause that him. I'm just, Nigga, kid got a wedding ring in that bitch.
You see that, man?
Bro, that shit look nasty as hell, son.
Oh, twin, y'all had playing. You ain't.
They what growing up look like. They my kinfolk. It's my family right up.
I don't know what that is.
They tried to kill my brother and that shit, bro.
That shit is fucked up, bro.
That shit was fire though, bro. You see that shit? That shit look crazy, don't it?
Little dance. He do a little dance.
Motherfucker know how to do the cha-cha or something.
It was
This is a little intro, what we got going. It's just the intro. It be hot. It's just the intro.
I got a few little.
It's just the intro. What the? Anyway, y'all, this is just the intro, bro. We just getting started, bro. The food coming in a minute. These are appetizers. Y'all know what appetizers do. So stay top. Caffeine octane. After effect. Fuck no.
They're really good at
Fuck no. I want one of these. See?
I'm so sorry. I didn't think about it. I'm so sorry.
Red Tiger family, y'all know what it is, man. We at the legal pit with this shit today, man. We at the legal pit with this shit today. Look at that shit. Look at that line right there. Vet linos right here. We got beautiful vets right here, though. Come on. Ah, shit. You can get in there and pat it down.
Wristbands, form a line.
Like a shoe. So, oh shit, my bad. Them bitches, this is tough. Grand Sport motherfucker. So no supercharged on that bit. This goddamn C8 black stripes on that bit. This shit's tough. Alright, now this motherfucker's G. Yeah, I know.
My boy said he had the top by the shade.
Motherfucker crazy. This shit's tough. This shit's tough. What's going on? Oh,
Other side with all the
what's
energy.
some crazy ones? You said over on that side?
They're more the entrance. Let's go to the entrance.
Shit, here we go again.
Got him. We fucking got him.